Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable Windows Sandbox in Windows 11. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully loaded and ready to go. Once everything has booted up properly, you're all set to begin. Now, to enable Windows Sandbox, start by clicking on the Windows Start menu located in your taskbar. When the menu opens, type in Control Panel and then press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Control Panel window where you can access various system settings and features. Once Control Panel opens, look for the option labeled Programs and Features and click on it. This will bring up the Programs and Features window, which displays a list of all the applications currently installed on your Windows computer. It's a central location for managing software and system components. Next, direct your attention to the left side menu of the Programs and Features window. You'll see an option that says Turn Windows Features on or off. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you can enable or disable various Windows features that aren't turned on by default, giving you more control over what's available on your system. After clicking, a Windows Features menu will appear on your screen. This menu contains a list of optional features that you can activate or deactivate. Now, carefully scroll down through this list until you locate the Windows Sandbox option. Windows Sandbox is a useful feature that allows you to run applications in an isolated environment, providing an extra layer of security when testing unfamiliar software. Once you've found Windows Sandbox in the list, you'll notice there's a checkbox next to it. Click on that checkbox to enable Windows Sandbox. You'll see a checkmark appear, indicating that the feature is now selected and will be activated. Finally, click the OK button at the bottom of the window to save your changes. At this point, Windows will begin applying the feature, and you may need to wait a moment while it processes the installation. Depending on your system, you might be prompted to restart your computer to complete the setup. If that's the case, go ahead and restart so that Windows Sandbox can be fully enabled and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Windows Sandbox on your Windows 11 computer, giving you a secure environment to test apps without risking your main system. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.